Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm at my Conda yoga room right now, so the sound can be interesting, but I think you can hear me just fine. And today we will talk about 7 spiritual practices that completely changed my life. And if you enjoy my content, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment my videos. So first thing that actually helped me to remove a lot of bad habits or need to have a glass of wine or puff a vape was a breathing exercise. There are so many breathing exercises and even different applications in App Store that you can find, and you can see which one works for you the best. I started from Wim Hof, and you can search about it, but that definitely helped me in a moment where I feel down and I feel like I would like to eat something, drink something that is not good for me. I was just replacing it with a breathing exercise. So this practice completely changed the way I live and the way I perceive my situation. Second, and I've said in many videos that I love aromatherapy. I think it can completely change the state of your mind and unwind a bit your negative thoughts. I feel that you can find your special scent that you really like, and it will bring you joy and relaxation. For me, it's definitely Palo Santo. I love Palo Santo sticks or wood, and I burn it, and I love how it smells, and it definitely relaxes me. And during my meditation, I love to feel the smell of Palo Santo. It helps my mind to kind of focus on the smell and the scent, and I have less thoughts flowing through my brain during my meditation. Third, of course, the really important ritual for me that changed my life is yoga. Yoga has become a discipline for me as well, because I don't feel well if I don't do yoga at least 3-4 times per week. My body right away starts to tell me that something is off. You need to do some yoga. So I created this healthy addiction. Instead of alcohol or anything else, I created an addiction to yoga and sport. I understand that doing yoga 3-4 times per week can be not good for you, or it might be not your practice, but you can find the practice that you really like. It can be gym, it can be Pilates, it can be dance classes, something that makes your body active and makes you happy as well. I also prefer to mix yoga with some other classes during the week. I like to do Pilates, I like to do some weight training, running, tennis, and yoga, of course. And don't forget, the most important thing about yoga is usually in the end of your practice, you get a little meditation, shavasana, right? Which is important, and it prepares you to stay longer in a meditation, because first you start from shavasana for 2-3 minutes, you just lay there, try to don't think about anything. But then the more you kind of practice yoga and you enjoy shavasana, then you can easier get into meditative state and clean your mind from all the thoughts and everything that's going on, and you just can get into Zen state in meditation. So yoga is a great preparation for meditation practice as well. And the more you do it, the more you're going to feel comfortable in your meditation. Fourth ritual that I really love and that I recommend to do to everyone is to sort out your clothes and all the stuff that you have in your house. I try to do it now at least once in 3-4 months, and I go through all the stuff that I have in my house and I try to sort it out. Something that I don't wear anymore or I don't use, I give it away, or I throw it to the garbage. Some things I can sell, but it's not about selling things. It's more about cleaning up your energy in your house where you live. It's so important to get rid of the stuff that you don't really need and just leave the stuff that you actually use. because there are so many things I usually find that I don't even remember exist at my house. And I am this person. Maybe some people kinda buy and they remember everything and they keep it all the time to the minimum. I like to store stuff. So for me, I need this period of time where I just sort everything out. I had this really funny story recently. I again did my full cleanup and I sorted out all my clothes, all my makeup, all the accessories, everything. I sorted out from my place. Some stuff I gave away, some stuff I throw away. Then I actually went to my work event and it was some type of lottery. And I won a huge TV at this lottery. And I think because I cleaned up the energy at my house and it kind of emptied the space for this huge TV to come. So you need to remember that the moment you clean up the energy, the moment you sort out your stuff, it empties the space for something new. And in my case, it was actually 75-inch TV for free that came into my house same day as I sorted my stuff out, and it was just like a 2 weeks ago situation. So, you clean the energy and something new and maybe even better comes that you don't even think about. Fifth, it's good to have some type of mantra or prayer that makes you comfortable and that makes you feel safe. Because there can be different times in our lives and we can be down or sad. But if you can repeat some positive affirmation or mantra, anything that works for you, and you can just close your eyes, center yourself, breathe deeply, and just find yourself in a process where you repeat some type of mantra, prayer, anything that makes you feel safe and doesn't let other negative thoughts to come through, that can actually be very relieving at that moment. Sixth ritual is a conscious food. Make sure you understand what you eat, why you eat it, that you understand why you drink coffee. Is it a lot? Is it not enough? Just be conscious about what you drink, what you eat, and when you do it, because food can be also a medicine and a ritual, but you just need to be conscious about it. Seventh ritual that actually is super important to me now is slow mornings. I realized over the time of my life, I'm 28 years old now, I realized that it's super important for me to have a slow morning where I don't rush into anything. If I need to wake up earlier for that, I will. But I really need to have that time where I can have my morning tea, vitamins, doesn't matter, where I can just meditate or slowly get ready without being rushed, without being stressed, because that sets a tone for my day. So it's really important for me, and it's my ritual, to have enough time in the morning to get ready, to do anything I want, to do some yoga, anything. But my morning cannot be rushed. And that energy keeps me going through the day. I hope those 7 spiritual rituals that I really love also resonated to you. And if it did, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment my videos. And see you in my next videos. Bye!